Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Malibu key fob here. It works for these models 2016, 2024, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is look over this side right here, and you see this small button. Now, you need to press this button, and when you press it, pull this mechanical key out. Alright, now, when you remove the mechanical key, and you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, right on this side, you see this hole. Now, take your mechanical key, and with the tip only here, insert only the tip right in this hole like this, and now, twist it a little bit, and push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. So you need to remove the back cover over here. When you separate this fob into two pieces, right after that, here on this side, you see your dead battery. Take your small flat screwdriver or the tip of the mechanical key, whatever you find easier, and insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this. And also make sure this side here is the negative side. This is very important. Okay, take these two pieces again and make sure these corners here match perfectly. Everything fits together perfectly, and just again snap them together. Alright, now when you snap them together like this, take this mechanical key and make sure you insert it back in the fob just like in the beginning. And when you insert the key over here, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.